For today's buttercream flower piping tutorial, we will be making these easy Cosmo flowers. You will need a number 150 tip and a number 1 tip. As always, we will begin by attaching a square of parchment to our flower nail. I'm using purple buttercream, but you could use any color you'd like for these Cosmos. Now, with the longer end of your 150 tip in the center and the shorter end facing out, you're going to apply pressure, pull out towards the edge of the flower nail until the petals are desired length, and then pull back down to the center while making a small turn. This is an 8-petal flower, so we're not going to turn as much as we normally would for a 5 or 6 petal. We need these to be a little bit more narrow. And as always, all of these instructions, as well as the buttercream recipe and all of the coloring information, can be found down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. And as we come in to pipe our final petal, we're just going to overlap that last and first petal so that we don't drag our tip through that buttercream. I'm going to switch to my number 1 tip, and I'm going to pipe a small mound right in the middle. And Cosmo flowers have a raised center, so that's why we do this. Now we're just going to cover this up with tiny little dots of our yellow buttercream to finish off the center of our Cosmo flower. And that's it. That's how easy it is to pipe a Cosmo. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And if you have any questions or anything, let me know down below. I'm going to link a couple more flower piping tutorials here for you. Thanks for watching.